Hello everyone. Welcome to Clean Coder YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome holidays and Merry Christmas to everyone and hope you guys are having fun in the holidays and preparing for welcoming the new year. So in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple use case in which how you can use LLMs based applications like Copilot, ChatGPT to help you become a better learner. Basically, you can use them as a peer learning friend who can give you roadmaps and stuff like that. So today I'm gonna walk you through a use case which I found really helpful for me. So hopefully you would also like it. So let's rock and roll to the Copilot screen. So I have already rolled out the Copilot LLM based application on my terminal. So we can see this application. So if like there are a couple of modes in which you can select the appropriate model for yourself. So for myself, I like to select think deeper model because I think it is reinforcement learning based. So it thinks and evaluates a lot deeper, and the results which I get out of this are extraordinary. So let's start. The prompt which I would like to give this LLM application today is give me a roadmap to become AWS developer. I already have a good background managing microservices based on Java, Spring Boot, web framework. I also have some knowledge of using databases like MySQL, NoSQL like MongoDB, etc. I know basics of Docker and container orchestration tool like Kubernetes. I also have a basic understanding of Prometheus. So basically, I have given this Copilot LLM the technologies in which I have some basic understanding, and I have asked it to come back to me with a roadmap which can help me, you know, become a AWS developer. So if I hit the enter now, let's see what results I get. So it's still thinking. The reinforcement loop is going back and forth, hopefully. Oh, it got the answer fairly quickly. Okay, so let's go through the answer. Focus first on core AWS services for compute, storage, networking, CI/CD. Then learn serverless, containers, security, observability, and cost optimization. Build 3-4 production style projects and get the AWS developer or associate certification. So key consideration and decision points. What you want to build. Greenfield serverless apps, containerized microservice or platform tooling. Okay, time budget is 3 to 6 months intense and 6 to 12 months part-time. Goal signals. You want to be job ready, platform engineer, or you want to become a cloud native dev. Clarifying question to tailor this. Do you want to focus on serverless or container first architecture for your next role? Then it has given me some roadmaps. First one is a progressive roadmap, 6 to 12 months. In the first part, which lasts for about 2 to 4 weeks, I would be working on AWS core concepts, regions, availability zones, VPC, EC2, S3, RDS, and IAM. Why we need to work on these? These are the primitives of every AWS developer use cases, and we have to start here, even if we know some cloud basics. And for the second part, you have to work on developer toolchain and CI/CD. It lasts about 2 to 4 weeks. We have to work on the tools like code commit, code build, code deploy, code pipeline, or GitHub actions with AWS. We have to practice automated builds, test, deploy pipelines for a Spring Boot app. Hopefully, we have to learn about the deployment strategies like Blue, Green, or Canary. We have to automate everything. And then in the third part, we have to work on containers and orchestration on AWS. This would last about 3 to 6 weeks. We have to work on services like ECS Fargate, ECR, EKS basics, and we have to deploy our Dockerized Spring Boot microservice to Fargate, and then try EKS for Kubernetes parity. We have to map Kubernetes knowledge to EKS ECS. Okay, so it has also given some resources. It has also tagged some references which we can use to further elaborate our understanding of that topic. Here it has given a data camp link, right? Here it has given a Udemy course link, probably. So this is really good. Then in the fourth week, we have to work on serverless and event driven. This would take about 3 to 6 weeks. We have to look at the services like Lambda, API Gateway, SNS SQS, Event Bridge, DynamoDB, or Aurora Serverless. It has also suggested as a project convert one microservice to serverless function and integrate with Event Bus. Then in the fifth part, we have to talk about observability, monitoring, and security. We have to learn what CloudWatch is, what X-Ray is, what Prometheus integration patterns are, IAM best practices, KMS, and secrets manager. I think KMS is key management system. Practice, we have to add tracing, matrix, and alerts, and implement the principle of least privilege in IAM roles and secrets rotation. Then we have to work on infrastructure as code and patterns. This would take about 2 to 4 weeks. We have to learn Terraform or AWS CDK. We have to build a reproducible infra for our projects. Basically, we have to treat infrastructure as code. Then we have to learn about cost performance and resilience. We have to learn what autoscaling is, what load balancing is, what caching is, what RDS tuning, S3S lifecycle, cost explorer, and stuff like that. You have to build fault tolerant patterns and run chaos experiments. I think he is talking about the chaos monkey, the Netflix theory of resilience, I think. Then for the certification and hiring preparation, I think certification is optional. If you want to get, it's good, but even if you don't get, then also it's fine. Hiring preparation, we have to take if we want, we can take AWS developer associate or AWS certified DevOps engineer, depending upon focus, and we can use hands-on labs and mock exam. It has also summarized the learning plan, the area core AWS, VPC, IAM service, S3 bucket, EC2 instances, and relational database service foundation for everything. It has also prioritized. Then CI/CD and dev tools, priority is high. Containers, map Kubernetes skills to AWS, priority is high. Then serverless, priority is medium. Then observability and security, production readiness, priority is high. Then infrastructure as control, as code, Terraform, CDK, priority is high. Okay, so projects. Oh, it has also suggested some projects which we can work on. Project A is a Spring Boot microservice on ECS Fargate with CI/CD. I think ALB is load balancer, RDS, and then CloudWatch. Project B is one service re-implemented as Lambda, API Gateway, DynamoDB, and Event Bridge. And Project C is end-to-end observability, Prometheus Matrix, CloudWatch, and X-ray tracing. Then it has also provided risks and trade-offs and tips. Vendor lock-in. What is vendor lock-in? It is in serverless, increases lock-in. Containers plus Kubernetes are more portable. Serverless increases login. I'm not sure what exactly he means by vendor lock-in. What my understanding tells me is we are making stuff particular to a particular cloud, probably. That is what is vendor lock-in, but I'm not very sure. Okay, there is a reference to AWS roadmap. There is roadmap.sh. Okay, let's open it in the new window. Oh, nice. It opens up a very nice flowchart, if you will. Here, everything like basically a path is given, like introduction, and then EC2, then VPC, then IAM. Basically, subtopics are also given, like in IAM, what are important subtopics: policies, user groups, roles, identity, resource based, instance profile, assuming profile. This looks a very nice resource. Yeah, Route 53, CloudWatch, RDS, Dynamo, everything is covered. This is very good roadmap, I would say. So this, I mean, Copilot has included a reference to this amazing roadmap as well. Then there is this cost surprises, test costs with realistic load, and use cost explorer early. Yeah, sometimes the services can cost us also, so we have to be mindful of the expenses as well. Then security pitfalls, yeah, obviously misconfigured IAM is the most common risk, and use least privileges and automated scans. That's good advice. Next step. Tell me whether you prefer serverless first or container first, and how many hours, weeks you can commit. I'll produce you a week by week, 12-week plan with exact labs, courses, and project milestone. Okay, if I zoom out and if I type, I want a 12-week plan which I can commit to. Let's see what it gives us now. So it has given us a 12-week week by week roadmap. This looks pretty solid, pretty impressive. It has also included AWS cloud architecture course from Udemy, Java developer roadmap for on GitHub. That's nice. Probably I think a GitHub repo with some concepts and roadmap kind of stuff. That's nice. So this is the roadmap which AWS has suggested to us. Okay, so it gives all the references as well in a nice tab in tabular format. We have a YouTube also, nice. We have some references from AWS itself. So yeah, the aim of this video was to walk you through a basic use case of how LLMs can even help software developers to upskill themselves. Uh, Here I gave it a simple use case that I know these technologies and I want to become a better, AWS developer. So it has already given me a pretty solid, impressive roadmap, which I think if I follow, I would probably become a very valuable AWS developer pretty soon. So yeah, do tell me how you liked the response of the Copilot and how you like this kind of video. I am doing this kind of video for the first time. Actually, I have migrated my setup from Windows to MacBook, and I was also testing my screen recording and mic with this video. So hopefully everything worked out pretty well, and I assume this video got recorded well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you guys have an awesome new year 2026. Bye.